Welcome to Next Gen Cloud Computing. Master Linux and cloud skill for free.
If you are a beginner and don't have access to a Linux terminal to practice commands, here's some good news for you. We've created an interactive environment where you can practice Linux commands easily. Just click on the link provided in the description, and you can start practicing commands right from your laptop browser. The best part, it works on your mobile device too. All you need to do is subscribe to our channel. Click on the link in the description on your mobile or laptop, follow the video, and start practicing.
Welcome to the session exploring basic Linux commands. Open the link in the description to access the Google Colab notebook. Let's dive into practicing commands. Let's start with the uptime command. It shows how long the system has been running, user count, and load averages for the past 1, 5, and 15 minutes. Ensure you're connected to the Unix system by clicking Run in the session. This will allow Google Colab to execute the command. The output shows the current time, system uptime, user count, and load averages to help monitor system performance. Now it's your turn to practice. Next is the whomi command. It displays the current logged-in user. Here's how it works. The output shows the username of the currently active session. Now it's your turn to practice. Now let's look at the w command. It displays a summary of the logged-in users and their activities. Remember, Unix is multi-user, meaning multiple users can log in simultaneously. Administrators use this command to check user activity. The output shows the username for the current session. Now it's your turn to practice. The uname command gives detailed system information, including kernel version, hostname, and architecture. Here's how it works. The output includes the operating system name, version, and hardware details. Now it's your turn to practice.
The freeh command displays system memory usage in a human-readable format with sizes shown in KB, MB, or GB. The output shows total, used, free, and available memory. This covers both RAM and swap memory for easy monitoring. Now it's your turn. Click on the cell with the freeh command, observe the output, and try to understand the memory distribution. The lscpu command provides detailed information about the CPU architecture of the system. The output includes the number of CPUs, cores, threads, architecture, and virtualization capabilities. Now it's your turn. Click on the cell with the lscpu command, observe the output, and identify key hardware details. The df-h command displays information about disk space usage in a human-readable format. The output shows total size, used space, available space, and usage percentage for each file system, helping monitor disk utilization. Now it's your turn. Click on the cell with the df-h command, observe the output, and analyze the usage of each partition. The hostname command displays the system's hostname, a unique identifier assigned in a network. The output is the name of the machine, often used to identify the system in a network environment. Now it's your turn. Click on the cell with the hostname command, observe the output, and note your system's hostname.
This command shows the full path of your current location in the system. Simply type pwd in the terminal to know where you are. This is similar to the address bar in Windows Explorer. Creates a new folder in the current directory. Type mkdir folder _name to create a folder with the specified name. In this example, I'm creating a directory called nxgcloud. You can name it anything you want. Displays all files and directories in the current folder. Run ls in the terminal to view the contents of your folder. Moves you to a different directory using cd folder _name. In this example, we are changing to the directory created before using mkdir.
Let me show you how to create multiple directories using the mkdir command. We'll also discuss its efficiency. Use the command mkdir test110 to create 10 directories named test1 to test10 through brace expansion. Imagine needing to create 100 directories. Just change the command to mkdir test 100. This saves a lot of time. Now let's practice together in Google Colab. Run the command mkdir test 110 in the shell. You'll see the output showing 10 directories named test1 to test10 have been created. For Windows users, creating directories is manual and much slower. Let's move on to deleting directories. The rmdir command deletes empty directories. Let's practice this step by step. First, check existing directories using the command ls. You should see test1, test2, etc. To delete a single directory, run rmdir test1, then check the list again using ls. For deleting multiple directories, run rmdir test2, test3, then use ls again to check. Finally, to remove all remaining directories, use rmdir how and check with ls to see no directories left. Important, remember, mdir only works for empty directories. It won't delete directories with files. The touch command is primarily used to create empty files or update the timestamps of existing ones. Let's see how it works. To create a single file, use touch file1.txt. Check if the file was created by running ls. You'll see file1.txt in the list. To create multiple files at once, for example, file text file3.txt and file4.txt, run touch file2 file2 file3.txt. Check the files again. ls. To create 10 files, use brace expansion touch file1.txt. Check the files by running ls. Similarly, to create 100 files, just adjust the range touch file1.100.txt. To remove files, we use the rm command. This command is powerful, so always double-check before running it to avoid accidental deletions. To delete file 1, check if it's deleted. To delete file 2.txt tag together, run rm file2.txt file, verify the removal, ls. To delete all files in the current directory, use rm.txt. Check again, ls. You'll see no .txt files remaining. And that's how you use the touch and rm commands to create and remove files in Linux. Now it's your turn. Open your Google Colab notebook, try these commands, and observe the output. We're creating a series of videos using this easy and interactive method. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated.